Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Expedia app crashing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it. Then, wait for a few hours and then reopen it. Next, temporary glitches can often cause the apps to crash. Next, restart your phone to clear system memory and background processes that may be causing the issue. Make sure that the Expedia app is updated. Go to your app store, search for Expedia, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version from the app store, as updates fix bugs and improve stability. Now, if you're using Android, go to the Settings app, find Expedia, tap Storage and clear cache to remove temporary files. If the problem continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After that, go to the App Store, search for Expedia and reinstall the app to get a fresh version without corrupted data. If the app still crashes, it may be due to device compatibility or temporary server issues, so try again later. That's how you fix the Expedia app crashing. Do not forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.